quick look at what an electrician earns in Samoa. The average electrician income in Samoa is around $4,700 a year. That is average annual gross salary before tax. But after tax, it drops to $4,200, which means your take-home pay adds up to roughly $350 a month. While average electrician pay in smaller towns is lower, in Apia it goes up to $5,000 after tax. That city income is higher, but living there costs more, so it often balances out. On top of that, experience makes a big difference because an entry-level electrician salary in Samoa starts well below that main average, though it rises fast as you learn the trade. Without moving into supervision, however, those electrician wages tend to plateau after a few years. Having a university degree also lifts your pay higher, since educated workers get promoted faster. That extra training helps you step up into higher-paying roles like electrical engineer or project manager, while specializations like industrial wiring bring in noticeably more income.